your live Doppler 8 First Alert weather.
Welcome back. We're going to start you off with a live look over Columbia, where there's still some celebration going on after the Missouri Tigers beat the University of Texas in football today. However, taking it over now to our live Doppler 8 First Alert radar, we can see that although we have those clouds coming in, we're going to be staying clear of precipitation and dry tonight. The main story, though, is those high winds coming in from the south, reaching 20 miles per hour throughout parts of the state. 20 miles per hour, in fact, consistently in Kansas City, 18 in Columbia, 16 miles per hour in St. Louis, and then 20 miles per hour again in Springfield. Those winds are going to be staying strong and consistent tonight and on into tomorrow. Taking it over to those temperatures, though, we're dipping into the 50s for the most part. St. Louis still holding on to 62 degrees, 57 in Springfield, 55 degrees, a bit cooler on into Kansas City. Closer to home, though, we have temperatures in the mid to upper 50s for the most part. Jefferson City, though, a bit warmer at 61 degrees, 56 degrees in Moberly, as well as on into Brunswick, and 61 degrees as well on into Sedalia. Here at the Columbia Regional Airport, though, we're sitting at 56 degrees with the dew point at 48, so that humidity is relatively high at 75%, helping those clouds to build in. And those winds, as we mentioned before, are coming in strong from the south at 18 to 26 miles per hour, with reports of gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Today, though, we reached a high temperature just above average. We reached a high of 60 degrees and woke up this morning to a low a bit warmer than normal as well, up at 40 degrees. Tomorrow is going to be a very similar situation, though. However, right now tonight, we're going to be seeing those clouds increase. Right now, though, we have just a few light clouds, but as we take a look over in Dodge City, that's going to be the area that starts to work its way on through mid-Missouri and is going to help contribute to some morning clouds sticking around as well. As you might notice, that cloud pattern is following along a cold front that is associated with a low pressure tailing right behind it up in the Carolinas, helping to bring up that warm, moist air from the south, helping to also build those clouds. That breezy condition, though, is going to be sticking around on into tomorrow. And as you may have noticed, at the end of that cold front is some showers. We'll be staying dry for the most part tomorrow, but on into tomorrow night and the start of next week, we're going to want to make sure you bring that umbrella along because we have the best chance for showers. Tonight, though, the main factor is going to be those strong winds and some clouds building in. Those clouds, though, will help us stay a bit warmer and mild, down to only 51 degrees. Tomorrow, though, those clouds are sticking around along with that gusty up to 30-mile-an-hour winds as we reach a high temperature of 64 degrees. Once again, it's going to be those clouds and breezy conditions that we're going to be concerned for tomorrow. However, tomorrow night, those clouds are going to start to darken and bring along a chance for precipitation that'll carry on through Monday. However, come Tuesday and on to the midweek, we're going to be seeing a mixture of sun and clouds with a high temperature right around average on into the mid-50s. As we wrap up next week, though, we're going to see more clouds build in, and it's going to actually be very similar to what we experienced this week with a high temperature of 60 on Friday and mid-60s for Mizzou's next football game come next Saturday.